a brick down there.
Okay.
We're gonna get you out, Bentley. It's okay.
What's your name, big guy? Okay, what's his name? We'll just make a quick catch pole.
You got that in?
Yeah. Do you need the other side of it supported to where if we tied this yellow? There we go. Okay, we got an arm.
All right, Jeremy. Nice and easy.
Nice slack.
Loosen it up here. Yep. Let's just go down.
There you go. Plenty of slack. Right here. Right here.
In the room.
Patient is out of the hole.